Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do some lovely cheek lifting. Now you guys know that I love doing face yoga for the cheek area. I think it's an area where we can really have a big impact in terms of lifting, toning and sculpting our muscles. So as always, you want to have clean hands, clean face, apply a little Fusion by Danielle Collins moisturizing serum, particularly to your cheek area, just to give you that lovely glide. And we're also going to be working the muscles underneath the skin. So after this, if you feel any tension in the muscles, make sure that you just really focus on relaxing them throughout the day. But nothing should ever feel painful, and it should always feel like it's a really lovely form of self-care. And for anyone that doesn't know me, my name's Danielle Collins, world leading face yoga expert. I have been teaching face yoga, wellness and skincare for 18 years now, and I've been lucky enough to teach millions of people around the world and be a twice best-selling author. So let's get into our cheek lifting. So exercise number 1, we are going to lift the corners of our cheeks by wrapping our lips around our teeth, and then we are going to feel the cheek muscles lifting up. You're then going to use your fingers to smooth any lines here, because we don't want to create any lines with our face yoga. So we're going, holding here, and we're going to count down from 10. Releasing, taking that again, feeling like you're doing equal both sides. You can use a mirror if you like for this. And then again. And relaxing. We're going to do a similar thing now, but we're going to tuck our lips inwards. So we're going like this, lifting the lip corners, smoothing the lines, and again really focus on lifting and toning lots of these muscles in your cheek area. Breathing deeply in and out through your nose throughout. Let's count down from 10. Release, taking out one more time. And release. Lovely. Okay, so our next one, we're going to puff our cheeks out full of air like this, and then we're going to transfer the air from cheek to cheek. Now, really important you breathe in and out through the nose here, and if any little lines are created around this area, remember you can use your fingers just to smooth that area. Keep breathing deeply. We're going to do 10 seconds more. And relaxing. And our final one, we're going to hold the air in both cheeks now, and then we're going to use one hand and tap. We're going to use the other hand just to smooth any lines here. Keep breathing deeply. This tapping is working with boosting that blood circulation, brightening the skin whilst you're strengthening the muscles under the skin. Swapping sides. And relax. And just to release any remaining tension, we're going to do a big exhalation with the sound through our mouth. So we're going. One more. and relax there. And if you'd like any more information about face yoga, particularly my teacher training course where you can learn to become a certified face yoga teacher, no prior experience needed, a fully accredited international qualification that will enable you to share these beautiful techniques with other people, you can head to faceyogaexpert.com for information. Take care. Bye bye.